Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today. Yes, it's Sunday today. We have here an additional of the weekend edition of Saturday, Sunday. Saturday, February the 3rd, Sunday, February the 4th, 2024. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cipher block, in Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve this afternoon. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And in the evening I will do the Samurai Sudoku, and the Samurai Sudoku will take me, will take, well, I need I need an hour for the Samurai Sudoku, so yeah, that's a lot of time. Anyway, let me start with this one. The first one, the 3 star Sudoku, number 7933. And before I start, I always count up printed digits. This one has a lot, 28 printed digits. Should be a 0 stars or 1 star. For 0 stars, I need to be faster than 40 minutes, maybe 30 minutes. But it's indicated with the 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, let me see which number I can pick. How about the 9? 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. Oh, we have a pair. The 9 and the 6 in the first row, the 9 and the 6 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places left for the 9 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 9 6, 9 6. We have 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 6 goes there. Alright. And now. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 in these 3 boxes. Here an 8 in this row, no 8 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Need 8 here, yeah. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. Here an 8 in this third row, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 in the column next, no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. 4, 1, 5. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 1, 4, 5. 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5. And look, we have 5 in this row. So no 5 in these 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be there. So the 1 and the 4 are left. 1 and the 4, we have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left, the 4 should be here. Or there, we have 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here. Or there, we have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here. Or there, we have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Then let me see. Well. 2, 3, Alright. Need a 9 here. Need an 8 here. Okay. Let me think. How about the 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next? So in that column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Okay. Now we have 6 and 5, 3 and 5. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 3, 5, 6. 3, 5, 6, 3, 5, 6, 3, 5, 6. And look, we have 6 in the last row. So no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. So the 3 and the 5 are left. We have a 5 in the last column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left for the 3 should be there. And 1 box left in this column for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square form was the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7 and 8, 9 is missing, 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. We have 1 box left in the last row for number 1. 1, 1, okay. Then. Let me think. 3, 2, 7. 6. Come on. Need a 2 here. I need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. 3 here. 2, 3. Need a 7. 7 in the first column. 7 in the third column. So the column between. The second column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 8. So the 8 goes there. So 2 numbers left in the first row for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 1 goes there. 4 in this column. 4 in that column. So the column between. The middle column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4. It should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in the third column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. Then 2, 3, 9. 2, 3, 9. No. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between. The middle column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this second row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. Let me mark those. That means 1 digit left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Okay. 7. Well. Yeah, I thinking and thinking and thinking. We have a 1 in this column, the 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. Here, 1 in that row, no 1 there. Only place left for the 1 should be there. Need an 8 here. Need a 7. Need a 9. And I need a 5 here. I need a 9 here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. We have an 8 in the third column, 8 in the first column, so the column between. The second column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between, the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. How about the ones? And all the ones are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 1. How about the 4s? And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 4. And the 7s. Nope, the 7s I cannot continue. Then. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. Need a 5 here. 9 and 3. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the second column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the amount. The 1, the 2 is missing. We have a 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. The 2 in this row, the 2 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the 7, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 7 goes there. Then 5 and 6, yeah, 2 missing numbers in this column. For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 6 goes there. 6 and the 9, we have a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 9 goes there. Then the 9 in this row, the 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5. 7 and a 5. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and 7, 6 and 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in the first row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. Yeah, 6. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well, told you should be at 0 stars. Well, I'm not faster than 14 minutes. Let me give this a 1 star. It's not a 3 stars, not the 2 stars. I'm faster than 50 minutes, so we're pleased with the time. And I like this one, so we'll do the thing. So thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.